Should I go to the work when nobody needs to go to the work? Absolutely. Good morning. It's Negar. Welcome to the vlog. Well, I'm ready to go to the work. I'm tired. It's end of the week. In Iran, we are off in Thursdays and Fridays, but some of the offices are open in Thursdays, including my job. We go to work for a few hours. So I'm gonna go to work, then I'll come back and I will rest. I wrote a to-do list for today. It was so easy because I worked for an entire week. I worked hard. I tried to have some workouts, and honestly, I'm not very energetic to do something hard, So today I just go to work. I sleep as much as I can. Today, my favorite football team has a match. I will watch that, but working hard and tiredness don't let me to read book so much. So today I will rest a lot and I have time to read some books. And so today we have a great lazy-ish day for me. I work less than every day in the week, so I can rest more than before. Stay with me. Let's go to the work. And after that, I will come back and talk about how was the day and what am I going to do and this kind of stuff. So now I'm going to take a taxi and I will go to the work. Stay with me. Well, I just arrived 1 minute earlier. I have to do so many things today. I'll come back about 1 p.m. See you. I need to eat something. I'm so hungry. After that, I'll take a nap for a bit and I rest. So happy. It's about 6:30. Actually, I just woke up. I was so tired. I didn't want to wake up. My mother kind of forced me to wake up. Negar, you have to watch football. Football is at 7 p.m. So I have some times to do some journaling. I'm gonna show you my bullet journal, which I made it by myself. And yes, here is the area that I have to put my favorite stickers here. There will be more than it, but for now I have this. This is so cute. These are some Asian foods. I love this. It has so many parts. It's my daily plans. Every month I write about myself. What did I do? I have so many parts in this bullet journal. So I'm not going to show you all of that because it takes time. And every season I have a part that I put some memories, some pictures. I have a diary out end of it, so it's so cool in my opinion. And I worked for it for days and days, and I went to work I didn't have enough time, but I did it because, oh my god, look at this. Because I love to have some bullet journals. A few days ago I printed some pictures. These are my certificates that I took it in few months. Yes, I have some memories that I printed them, and I'm gonna do some journaling today because I have some times to do it, and after that I will watch football. Yay! And also I have a tea. I have a cute tea which is Harry Potter. My uncle gave me this and it's so cute. And I have a cute chocolate which is a heart shape. My mother gave me this, so today will be a very good day. Today is a history day that women can go to the stadium and watch football. Actually, if it is normal in your country, I want to say it's a historical movement in my country. Good job, girls. In this country, women are so powerful that we are going to have our own rights, so we are fighting for it. People sometimes have some hard days to make some opportunities for the other women to have a better life. And now, yes, I guess it's normal in a country, but it's a progress in my country. It's so sad to hear about that, but I'm happy that I want to watch a football game with my lovely girls in this stadium. I didn't know that we can buy some tickets, so lots of love to you girls. We won the game. Yay. No, actually, I'm so happy. I can remember a few years ago, there was a girl who burned herself because they didn't let her to go to the stadium to watch football. And she was a fan of a Istiklal team, which is a team that today won the game. And today her dream came true, but unfortunately she's not here, and she's a hero for Iranian people, especially girls, to fight for their dreams. As you can see, I'm ready to sleep. I'll read my book until I feel that I cannot stand and I need to sleep. Thank you so very much for watching this video. I know I couldn't make some vlogs these recent months, but I'm going to do my best to make new vlogs about my country, about my hometown, and about the travels which I'm gonna go. And I will show you Iran, and I will show you the world in my way. Please just stay safe and love yourself. And again, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day or night, whatever. Love you so much.